Irashaimase. Welcome to Japanese Auberge Kararako. The first thing to catch your attention when you see the auberge from the outside is likely to be the undulating curves of the molded plywood louver exterior wall. This unique look is thanks to the craftsmanship of Tendo Mokko, or Tendo Woodworks, based in Yamagata Prefecture. Established in 1940, Tendo Mokko was one of the first furniture companies to focus on crafting molded plywood, and they have continued to produce high-quality products to this day. The technique involves layering sliced pieces of wood about 1 millimeter thick, one at a time, heating and fitting them into a curved mold to achieve a desired shape. The delicate repeating design outside Japanese Auberge Kararako gives the exterior a distinctive appearance that allows you to feel the warm and organic nature of the wood. The soothing comfort of wood can be felt in many areas of Japanese Auberge Kararako. Join me in future videos to see other ways we incorporate this natural material into your experience here. What is your favorite kind of wood? Let us know in the comments. See you soon. Itterashaimase.